Hi and welcome to the Holm booth here at InfoComm in Las Vegas 2026. I'm Henrik and I'm going to show you the Holm dynamic speaker. So here at Holm we like things to disappear when not in use. But besides that, we are really focusing on the audio quality in boardrooms. And therefore we have designed an active speaker that sits in a wooden speaker cabinet. It's a two-way driver, 2 times 36 watts, so it's an active speaker with a flat frequency response in the speech area. It sits in the center of the table and it covers from 4 to 6 to 8 people per speaker, so you can get a nice sound distribution down the table for all the meeting participants. And the whole idea is that we are not distributing the audio out in the room itself, but we are distributing to the users in the room. That means that the room acoustic becomes less important. So if that have caught your mind and your interest, please come and see us here at InfoComm or go and visit artoholm.com for more information.